Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's Android tutorial, I'll show you how to view your saved passwords on Google Chrome. If you've ever forgotten a password for a website or app, Chrome's built-in password manager can help you. Open the Google Chrome browser app. Chrome is one of the most widely used web browsers and usually comes pre-installed on many Android devices. Once Chrome is open, corner of the screen, you will see either your profile icon or the three-dot menu, More option. Tap on it to open the menu. Select Settings to access Chrome's settings page where different browser features and preferences are managed. Now, scroll down and see the Google Password Manager option. Tap on it to open the Password Management section. This is where Chrome securely stores the login details for websites and services you have previously saved. Inside the Google Password Manager page, you will see a list of all the websites and accounts for which passwords are saved. Browse the list and tap on the website or account whose password you want to view. For security reasons, your phone will ask you to verify your identity. You may need to enter your phone's lock screen, PIN, password, pattern, or use your fingerprint. Once verified, the saved password will be revealed on the screen. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Android tips and easy tech.